Even if the Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board or LTFRB warns that after May 15 the government will apprehend unconsolidated public utility vehicles, some jeepney drivers are firm to their principle that they will still ply their routes.
Aba, tuloy-tuloy kami sa hanap buhay. Alam nga naman tumigil kami eh. Hindi naman pwedeng tumigil kumain pamilya namin. Di hulihin nila kami.
In a terminal in Pasig City with route from Pasig to Taguig, of 85 jeepney units, none of them enter the franchise consolidation.
Bakit nyo kami pinipilit papasukin sa kooperatiba at ipautangin ng unit na hindi naman namin kayang bayaran? At ang unang-una pa, once na umutang ang kooperatiba, wala sa pangalan ko o wala sa pangalan ng driver o operator ang mga unit na inuutang.
Wala silang karapatan para i-impound yung sasakyan ko sapagkat wala silang karapatan para isuspindi i-revoke ang aming prangkisa.
As to date, they have not received show cause order from the LTFRB, which the agency promised to send to operators until May 15 as part of the Public Service Act. To some passengers, they expect trouble to get a ride once unconsolidated jeepneys will be apprehended.
Mahirapan sigurado sa pag-uwi at pagpasok trabaho. Kumbaga dito, doon medyo matagal kasi nagpupuno, pero sigurado naman makakasakay ka kaysa makipag-agawang ka.
Mahihirapan po, tsaka siguro sa pera po. Mas mahal po kasi pamasahe pag walang jeep.
The LTFRB said they have reached 80% consolidation rate after the deadline, and no transport crisis will happen even if the government pushes for the Public Transportation Modernization Program. JP Nunez, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.